Alright guys, so sorry I didn't film my Gingerbug update yesterday. I got a little busy and honestly I spaced it, so I apologize. So today would be day 5. Now yesterday I did add the 1 tablespoon of ginger and I did half a tablespoon of sugar, but I was noticing that the liquid inside, see how it's really cloudy, was thick, like syrupy thick, not like, it was just thicker than regular water is. You know, water's really thin and obviously you add more sugar to it and it becomes a thicker consistency. So it was getting along the lines of like a simple syrup. And so I was like, that doesn't seem right. The jar seems a little too cloudy from everything that I've seen. So I did a little bit of research on it, and I guess the water being cloudy isn't necessarily a problem as long as like there's no mold growing or like a rancid smell. But it could also mean that there's too much sugar in the water and the ginger is not, or the yeast, the wild yeast that's on the outside of the ginger skin, which is what causes the reaction, is basically being overfed. So it becomes somewhat complacent, I guess. I did see that there was a creator that when they did their Gingerbug, they used half the amount of sugar that I originally used, which was equal parts ginger, equal parts sugar, because she was having the same problem. So I'm gonna see, again, this is day 5. What I did was I actually put more water in here just to dilute the sugar a little bit, and then I added more ginger. More than the tablespoon. I probably added about 2.5 tablespoons, maybe 3. I basically just finished out the ginger that I had, just to be able to see what happens, see if I can possibly revive it, see if I can get any kind of reaction. It is day 5 and generally Gingerbug takes anywhere between 5 and 7 days, so I'm gonna give it the full 7 days to see if anything happens from this. I do have more ginger in the fridge that I bought a little bit ago, so if I need to add more ginger, I will. So like I said, supposedly this cloudiness isn't a bad thing, but I have seen other creators where their Gingerbug starts to clear up and they start to get the carbonation. So if this batch doesn't work out, then I will start again and try something new and take you guys along for the journey. If you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, or any suggestions, please let me know down in the comments, and hopefully we'll start to see some reaction. Alright guys, thanks so much. Bye.